If you want a fast and simple way to organize your tasks in Todoist, labels are one of the best tools you can use. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use labels in Todoist while you're creating a task so you can tag things instantly without slowing down your workflow. This is perfect if you want to sort tasks by context like phone calls, computer work, errands, or anything else you repeat often. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Todoist tips just like this. Let's jump right in. The fastest way to add a label in Todoist is while you are writing the task itself. So first, press Q on your keyboard to open the task creation window. This is a really handy shortcut because it lets you create a task without having to click around the interface. Once the task window opens, start by typing your task name as normal. For example, you might type something like call Sarah or draft email. Now here is the key part. To add a label, type the @ symbol right after your task text, followed by the label name you want to use. So if you want to mark a task as a phone call, you could type call Sarah at phone. Or if the task needs to be done on your laptop, you could type draft email at computer. Todoist will immediately recognize that you are trying to add a label, and it will show a drop-down list with matching label suggestions. If you already have a label that matches what you typed, just select it from the list. This is the quickest option because it keeps your labels consistent and saves time. If the label is brand new, Todoist will also give you the option to create it right away. Click Create Label and Todoist will save it for future tasks too. That means once you build up a small system of labels, you can reuse them again and again across your whole workflow. After you have selected or created the label, all that is left to do is save the task. Once saved, your label will be attached to the task automatically, which makes it much easier to filter, search, and manage your work later. This is especially useful if you rely on Todoist every day and want a clean system for handling different types of tasks without overcomplicating your setup. A good tip is to keep your labels simple and easy to remember. For example, use labels like phone, computer, home, errands, or waiting. That way, when you are creating a task, you can add them quickly without having to think too much. The goal is to make task entry faster, not slower. So to recap, press Q to open task creation, type your task, add @ plus the label name, choose an existing label or create a new one, and then save the task. That is how you use labels in Todoist in the fastest possible way. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more Todoist guides, productivity tips, and simple app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.